So last morning in the DIY shed, I've just got here. Jim's gone to take some bits to the unit to keep safe for when we need them. So I just thought I'd do a quick video. So we've got a couple of hours before we get moved onto the water. So we've got some bits scrapped down there to go, a bit of tidying up down there. We've got all of this to do. It's only sorted out. It's just putting it where it goes. Jim's tools, yeah. Got the ropes to put back on. We've got the canopy to put back on the back. And then I think we're pretty much good to go. And then we can really get sorted later on once we're on the water. I'll keep you updated.
It's in the water-ish.
water, heading to our mooring for the first week, and then we'll see where we go from there.